Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this short and simple video I would like to demonstrate how you can unmute OnePlus phone. So, basically there are two ways to do that depending on what particular model of OnePlus do you have. Mine is OnePlus 11 and it does have this little button at the side frame on top of the power key, as you can see. And that's the method that this particular phone uses in order to turn on and turn off the silent mode. So once the toggle is at its top position, that means that the phone is currently muted or at the silent mode, and all rings and ringtone sound and notification and system sounds are also muted. So in order to quit it or exit it, you just gotta slide this little button or slider to the bottom. And as you can see, we have successfully entered the ring mode, thus unmuted our device. If your particular OnePlus phone does not have such switcher or rocker, you will probably have the software button or the separate controls at the volume rocker over here. So just tap at the either volume down or volume up buttons and tap at this speaker icon on your phone. If it does not work in your case, just go into sound settings, and in here you will be able to turn off the silent mode switch. I do not have it, unfortunately, on my device, on my particular model, since I do have this little slider instead. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.